Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Highway 2000. This is a north-south leg of Highway 2000 that runs from Kingston to Ocho Rios. This road was built by China Harbour Engineering Company, and it was opened a few years ago, and its main purpose was to connect Kingston to Ocho Rios. The reason being, this Highway 2000 had two goals in mind. One, to connect both international airports, which is with Kingston to Montego Bay, and that's where you have the east-west leg of the highway to do that. Then they wanted persons to be able to get to the major tourist attractions in Jamaica within 45 minutes. So that's why the Kingston to Ocho Rios leg was built, because that is where you find Dolphin Cove, Mystic Mountain, and Dunn's River Falls, a major tourist attraction. So that's why you have the north-south leg that takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Now, before the highway was built, to drive from Kingston to Ocho Rios took about an hour and a half if the road was not blocked. Now, there are on the journey, there are two sections that always had delays. That was when you're going through the Bogwalk Gorge, going over the flat bridge. That road, sometimes you had accidents, persons, for whatever reason, could be a traffic nightmare. You could be stuck in the gorge for hours. And then Mount Russell, you could also be stuck on that hill in traffic for hours. So sometimes, although the journey would take an hour and a half, sometimes it would take 4 or 5 hours because of the traffic delays. So this highway was built and it cut the travel time tremendously. 45 minutes on a very nice, easy drive on this road. We're going to exit at the Angels Toll Plaza and go through the Bogwalk Gorge.
Yeah. To do one door.
Alright, so we just went through the Angels Toll Plaza. So if we turn left here, we're going to Spanish Town. Turn right, we go through the Bogwalk Gorge. Or we enter the Bogwalk Gorge. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.